Hi everybody, welcome to Man Cake. My name is Dan, and today we're going to be hopping aboard the cookie train and make delicious oatmeal raisin Reese's cookies. They're going to be super quick, super delicious, and just perfection. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. And all the ingredients that we're going to be using today are going to be down below so you can follow along and make your own delicious cookies. Now before we start, be sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And let's start on these delicious cookies. So our first step is going to be to whisk together all of our dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. So let's start by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to whisk them all together. Now let's move those dry ingredients aside and grab another mixing bowl for our butter and sugar. And in that mixing bowl, we're going to add 2 sticks of softened butter and 1 cup of white sugar. Now using our hand mixer, we're going to beat these on a high speed for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, until the butter and sugar are well incorporated and it has kind of a nice light and fluffy look. And once your butter and sugar is all set to go, then we get to add in 1 cup of brown sugar, firmly packed, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, a half cup of peanut butter, now let's go back in and mix until all these ingredients are well incorporated. And now that those are all mixed, let's go ahead and add in 3 cups of oats, a cup of raisins, and 1.5 cups of Reese's Pieces. Then we'll just want to mix on a low speed just until the oats and the raisins and the Reese's Pieces are nice and mixed in together. Now let's go ahead and add in our dry ingredients to our batter. And mix just on a low speed until everything's nice and combined and you have your delicious cookie batter. And there we have it. Our cookie batter is all done and ready to go on a cookie sheet. And I'm just using a regular standard size cookie sheet lined with some parchment paper. Now cookie size wise, I'm a big fan of a big cookie. So I'm going to be using about 3 tablespoons for a nice cookie ball for the cookie sheet. But if you want smaller cookies, you're more than welcome to go ahead and make these cookies any size you want. Just be sure to adjust the baking time, this way your cookies don't burn or they don't underbake. Now, let's go ahead and pop these in the oven for about 15 minutes. If they're still a little soft and not really starting to firm up yet, let them go for another 5 minutes, but be sure to keep a close eye on them between that 15-minute mark and that 20-minute mark. This way, they don't burn on the bottom. You have a nice, golden, delicious, yummy cookie. Well, our cookies are baked. They've cooled for about 5 minutes, so they still should be nice and soft. And they look just really, just delicious. I'm ready to just dive right into them. So let's go ahead and I don't know which one to pick. Such a hard choice. Let's go with this top one right here. They smell like chocolate and Reese's and oatmeal and raisins. Now that is a delicious, quick, yummy cookie, packed with delicious Reese's Pieces. And there's the best part right there. And you got your yummy raisins, your yummy oats, just delicious peanut butter flavor. Perfection. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down there, along with a thumbs up, and ring the bell so you can stay up to date with brand new recipes every week. And if you do make these delicious bomb Reese's Pieces oatmeal cookies, definitely give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, all the social places. Until next week, bye.